Sinkholes are pits in the ground that form in areas where water gathers without external drainage. They can vary from a few feet to hundreds of acres and from less than 1 to more than 100 feet deep. Sinkholes are common where the bedrock below the land surface is limestone, carbonate rock, salt beds, or rocks that can naturally be dissolved by groundwater circulating through them. In a process that can last hundreds, sometimes thousands of years, the water gradually dissolves small parts of the rock, enlarging its natural fissures and joints and creating cavities beneath. The loose, unconsolidated soil and sand above is gradually washed into these cracks and voids. But as the holes grow without enough support for the land above the spaces, a sudden collapse of the land surface can occur. They are unpredictable, and the collapses can cause dramatic effects, especially in an urban setting. Sinkholes can also be formed as a result of human activities like groundwater pumping and constructional and developmental activities like drilling, mining, and so on. Even though the formation of sinkholes is common in nature, the human interferences in the last few years have made their occurrences even more frequent. Thousands of sinkholes have formed around the Dead Sea, the landlocked salt lake between Israel and Jordan. The Dead Sea has lost a third of its surface area since 1960. It has been receding by about a meter every year. The receding of the Dead Sea has caused thousands of sinkholes to form around its shores. The receding salt water of the Dead Sea leaves behind underground salt deposits. Runoff from periodic flash floods dissolves the salt patches, and without support, the land above collapses. The sinkholes exceed 10 meters in depth and are a testament to the shrinking sea. The site of Ein Gedi in Israel was once a bustling tourist complex. It has now turned into a ghost town, disfigured by craters and enclosed in fences. Human interference has affected the flow of water into the Dead Sea. Israel and Jordan have been diverting the waters that flow into the Dead Sea for agriculture and drinking water. Chemical companies also extract minerals from the seawater. Climate change further accelerates evaporation. Scientists say, over time, the entire area will become one large sinkhole.